Oh.
I think we're live. And I think we're on time.
We're online.
The guys are still in the wardrobe. They're getting dressed now.
Yeah.
Because this is Halloween. Hi, folks.
Okay, it's this.
You don't want to see this. Believe me, you don't
Quite
want to
where
see
the
this.
Halloween came with that. It looks amazing. Are you sure the moustache doesn't go the way up?
No, it goes that way.
Fine.
I know it looks weird. Okay.
Today with Mario!
Racist interpretation of Mario.
And the Wolfman himself. And me.
Yeah. I was going to get the gloves, guys, but I don't need them.
Yeah.
Sure, I have the stomach.
I thought I'd do the dark web here.
Oh yeah,
we
guys.
could,
If you ever,
this episode is coming from the dark web.
from the dark web. Yeah.
We have it in the shop now.
Are we live this time? Yeah, we are.
Well, we are live
we
this
are.
time.
I think people can see us. Can you see us, people? Please tell us in the chat now. Please. Not again like our last.
Yeah, can you see us on everything? Can we see yourself on here?
Yeah, well, you can. If you go for your channel, I think over there,
Your channel?
and then you broke it.
I broke it.
Okay, this is going on.
Hey Dutch, thank you for letting us know.
The Wolfman stays
What?
on.
No Formula One this week for you? What's going on here? Yeah, we absolutely
Halloween Cup.
Yeah. And the guys saw the little thing already here. We're going to open this and find out how it blinks and why does it blink and
Are
stuff.
we going to reverse engineer that?
Yeah.
Reverse engineer. This is not worth reverse engineering. This is so cheap. It just costs $1 or something.
It has the direct connection to a battery.
I don't
Yeah,
know.
probably
No,
does,
but
yeah.
if we look at this, so the LED flashes.
Yeah, it does. I think the people saw this when we start with the other camera.
It also changes colour.
Yeah, it does.
Also,
This
it
is-
has something. To,
Yeah, 10 years ago this would be high tech.
Yeah.
Well, let me get this on
For
the,
some countries, it still is.
yeah, let me get this on the other camera so the people can see
Oh,
what we're talking about. Blinky, blinky.
Yeah, we have Lily here as well. If you hear something, she's also dressed up.
Tony, I'm the dark web. I'm a very boring dark web here. So, yeah, now you have to.
Yeah, the focus. Sorry.
This is going to be fun.
Oh yeah, that's freaking far away. What am I?
Wow,
I
you
don't
did.
know. Don't try this.
No, I give up.
Don't try that.
Yeah,
No,
yeah,
I give
come
up.
on. The people are getting seasick already. We're not 10 minutes on air.
Yeah, that's the point.
So sorry for me not being dressed up like the guys over here. I tried to get I wanted to get a spray-on spiderwebs, but I couldn't get them on the island.
No,
Because,
it's really hard to find.
I wanted to go for a spray-on spiderweb fight at the end of the show, but
A spray on spot. Oh, that would have been fun.
it would be. Yeah.
Is this is a bit like a silly string?
Yeah,
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Spray on
But
spiderweb fight.
it gets a lot thinner, so it goes everywhere.
Okay, look, there's a first question coming in. Richard, I got a Behringer Ultra Curve Pro DQ 2469, which has an issue on the left channel. I may replace it for a new one. Are you interested in pair on your videos? Dutch Linux says this.
Yeah,
Are you?
that's
That's a-
oscilloscope, right?
Oh.
No, Ultra Curve.
Yeah.
Ultra Curve DEQ. I guess this is
yeah,
a mixer. No, this is a mixer or
Sure.
2469. No, 2469 is a mixer.
Is this a
24 channels, right, Dutch?
Could be.
Is this analog mixer or digital or USB?
DEQ
Yeah.
sounds like a digital thing.
Well, it's an analog mixer with a
DEQ.
digital equalizer.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. If you want to send that over, that'd be excellent. We'll make some video with that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That sounds fun, actually.
Does it have the problem with the left channel? Is this a powered mixer or is this a passive mixer?
We need to get you more in shot here.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
The Wolfman is way out of shot.
Yeah.
Yeah, this sounds much more.
Digital Pro EQ, yeah.
The Feng Shui is now right.
Yeah.
We had this discussion last week.
No.
Oh, it's a Digital Pro equalizer. So it's
Yeah.
an equalizer.
I've looked at a few Behringer before. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, send it over. I'll give it.
Probably 24 bands and 69 kilohertz or something, yeah.
Well, I'll tell you what, if you want to send it me over, I'll have a look at it. If we get it working, just send it back for the cost of the postage. How about
You about €400.
that? Well, if you want to send it over, I'll have a look if we get working on the video. I'll just send you back just for the cost of the postage. Yeah?
You get a free repair attempt.
You get a free repair attempt. But yeah, sure.
It's not like Northridge Fix here. They try to fix it first before they charge you.
Oh, yeah.
They do?
Low blow.
Yeah, but cheers, yeah, please.
There's no chance.
I'll send you the address after the weekend. So we have something here.
Do we?
We do have something here. So we have a mystery object here.
Wait. Carlos did scramble the camera, so
Oh yeah,
Oh, okay.
sorry.
probably it's going to be very. Oh, look at these.
Okay.
Ooh.
Yeah, I fucked it up. There we go.
So we have a mystery object here. It's all sealed, as you can see, and it has on the back of it, it has a magnet. This is a magnet, okay? And the magnet sticks on there where the little target is. So we plug this into the USB and we'll show you what this does. And then what we're going to ask you is, what does it do if we remove the magnet? And then we'll leave it running for a while, and if somebody can come up with the correct answer of what does it do if you remove the magnet, then we'll do that and we'll find out.
You haven't seen this before, also.
Nope.
Carlos has
I
never
don't
seen
have
this
a
before.
clue what that is.
So do we have a USB power support? Oh, there's this one here. Is this on?
Yeah, the big power back. Thank.
So we plug this in, if we can. Oh, this is too technical for me.
Let me zoom in there.
This is really technical. Oh, look, it's plugged
There we go.
in. Look, and this is what it does.
Oh, isn't this nice?
Cool, free,
Cool, free, look,
love.
love. So that's what it does, guys. So the question is, what does it do if you remove the magnet?
I think I have an idea.
You know that I made it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I definitely know what it does.
Dutch, yeah, no schematic. I love looking at stuff with no schematics. That's absolutely fine.
Okay, we'll leave this running over there. So,
We'll leave this running over there.
so people have an idea. Can we set up? Put it up on the power bank so I can zoom in on this.
Okay, it fell over.
Of course it.
It fell over.
Yeah, the magnet already went.
Oh.
Okay, it's back to the.
It's very difficult to balance this.
Oh! The magnet stuck to the USB.
Oh! I think we've given the game away.
There we go. Let's do this instead.
Ah, beautiful. Beautiful.
Okay,
Guys.
but wait.
This was obviously not made to stand up.
No,
No, the cable was too thin.
too stiff. Cool. Yeah.
There.
Oh, beautiful.
Digital spin the bottle. Good.
Oh, this is a
Good
nice
game.
idea. This is a
Cool,
nice
yeah,
idea.
digital spin the bottle.
Good.
We can do a thing, a spinny thing.
Yeah.
On a
Is
display.
this a bit like the...
The 8-point LEDs.
Yeah,
You
tell them
put it in
yeah.
the middle and push the button.
Yeah, this is a nice idea.
Yeah.
Digital spin the bottle. Tony, man, good project.
It's
Let's get it up on
It's going to
CPU.
run the text from left to right if we take the
Dutch,
magnet
come
off.
on, you should know me better.
It's a good guess.
Huh? I know it's a lot worse than that, Dutch.
Win. That's
Okay. Let me guys tell you the story how this came to life. We were down at the University of Düsseldorf, and we were researching displays. We're looking for displays that we could use on the lab, that we could use outside, and we came across these things here. These are 14
Are they 17 segments?
14 segment displays.
Well, you normally have
Yeah.
7 segments on a display.
Yeah,
and
but
the,
this one can do this.
yeah, so the diagonals give you 4 more, but the horizontals split into 2, so that's 5 more.
Yeah,
And
so
there's 2
7,
verticals, and
14.
the middle, that's 7. 14 segment display.
Yeah, this is a 14, and this is controlled by a data bus. So I was playing around with the brightness, with the char set, and then I asked my folks around there, tell me 4-letter words we can put on there. What 4-letter word comes into your mind now?
The first one started with F.
Really? Fun. That's a three-letter word.
That's a three-letter word. Mine has 4.
No, no.
And it's very
Yeah.
well used.
We had a very fun morning researching 4-letter curse words, and they are all in there that we came up with, and yeah.
So,
Yeah, and then I thought, okay, man, we have to have a PG-13 version here, so I'll include a little read contact on the back, and this is where the magnet is. And if we slap on the magnet, it tries to do the nice things.
can it run us on 30 volts?
Oh, come on, this is mine. I have this at home. This, yeah.
So, what this actually is then, bear in mind this is the University of Dusseldorf. Spending, where did they get their money from? Is it from the taxpayer?
Yeah.
Don't ask these things.
This is the University of Dusseldorf making very good use of research and public funds to make a Tourette's simulator.
Indeed, yeah. Let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah. You killed it.
It's a Tourette's simulator. There's the magnet.
Yeah. 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 This is what we did. This was research because we wanted to know if this works, and we wanted to be sure that the tickets was right.
Did you put in the word I was thinking of? I don't think so.
That one.
No.
So MILF.
There we go.
There we go. Yeah. So I think we better put the magnet back on.
Yeah, please come on.
Yeah, monetization is going down.
So guys, it's a Tourette's simulator.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's what we came up with this. Yeah.
You remove the magnet.
Yeah.
So that's what the taxpayers' money goes to. Okay.
Well, you need to have something around like this, don't you?
No.
I'm not sure what really.
Could be cool, I guess.
What we find was very interesting. How many 4-letter curse words are in the English language?
Oh, yeah.
There are way more than nice words.
Oh, so this is why you didn't make this in German, because like the display would be like this long.
I needed a 20
yeah, just you have to get Jenny German
to start cursing.
Yeah, German words are horrible.
Yeah. So there's the Tourette simulator. Unfortunately, they then sealed this secret technology into this unit, so you can't.
Oh, you want to see what's in there?
Oh, you have.
That's a project bag with me.
You have the project bag.
Yeah, let me see.
If anybody's interested in one of these, I'm sure Det can upload the top secret code he stole from the university.
Oh, there was some development. Oh man, yeah, I remember.
Holy. Why?
Can't remember
Just
everything. No?
why?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah. So we're playing around with lots of microcontrollers today, and you actually get these displays with a red PCB on back, and this is all you need to connect to this. And this was my micro. And, I think now this isn't SPI. This is some serial communication that isn't I2C and it isn't SPI. It's something proprietary. Yeah, and well, for fun it worked. And this is how it's done. We simply connect over here.
I'm going to ask why that won't fit into that.
Yeah. This is directly soldered on.
Yeah. This is a development.
Oh, I see.
Oh wait, I see. Wait.
You have another version?
Yeah, I have a really creepy one. Let me see if I can find this. If you guys are wondering what I'm looking at, this is my project bag for this. Projects go into bag and they stay in there, and then you tend to forget them.
Yeah, pretty much, Tony Mahon. It's a random number generator that picks different words because they repeat sometimes.
Dutch words are very similar to German ones.
Yeah, I believe you, mate. Yeah, you have the same problem. Not too long for these, and we played around with these. These are again 14 LED, 14 segment LEDs. Let me see if I can zoom in there.
I haven't seen that type before.
I've not seen those before.
And this has the same board on the back side.
Okay.
So you can simply drop it in there. And oh, look at this. This is programmed by UPDI. Did you guys watch the UPDI video? And then you know what. If you don't know what UPDI is, watch the video.
I didn't see the video. I want to see that one.
If we can get 5 volts on this, red is 5. We can probably power this.
We can probably power this if you can. Well, we have the bench power supply here.
You don't need. Look at this.
Oh,
Project bar.
okay, so we
The
go.
magic of the project bar.
Which one is negative? Which one is?
Is the blue one the negative?
The blue one is a negative. If not, we have the first explosion today.
And the brown one is a positive.
Let me see what Richard does.
It won't explode. It was fizzle, mostly.
So what I've done with it is that I've put the brown wire onto the red.
It looks good. Try to power it.
Yeah, let's see.
Okay, let's get that one.
I'll hold it in frame. There we go. I'm the first one getting a shot today.
Yeah.
Oh, cool displays.
It's on the.
It's upside down.
Upside down.
Sorry. There
Yeah.
we go.
And this is a Toretto Mark Mini.
The displays are kind of cool. It reminds me of the vacuum tubes.
Yeah, the Nixie tubes.
Old calculators, I'd say.
Yeah, no, but it actually reminds me of the Nixie tubes because of
given
the
up.
bulbous.
Oh, the power bank switched off because it doesn't draw enough power. If it maybe connect the other one, that could work.
Has it been censored by the power bank?
Yeah.
The power bank is
It's censored it.
hates to be.
It's only a
used up,
50-50, Richard. Why are you having
I don't
that?
know. It's like, you try to get that thing in there. We'll see what the problem is. Oh, you're in now. No, the power bank's off.
No, it's nothing starting. Try to press a button and see what happens. No.
Yes.
Oh, there we go.
Cool.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
these are really cool, actually.
Yeah, I like them. We were looking for these, but they were too small. By the way, when we were done with our research, we went for e-paper.
Mm-hmm.
Not OLED.
E-paper, yeah, but it doesn't draw any power almost.
Not our point of the decision. We were going for e-paper because it's readable in direct sunlight.
Oh yeah.
We had projects out there that we were sitting right in the sun, and we had OLEDs that were perfectly on the bench.
Yeah.
But then you went
outside,
out in the sun and you thought, I don't see shit.
It's off. Pretty much.
So you might find this in the old man's pocket or something there.
Sit out.
Actually, it has a use. If you have your ID or something, you could have it scrolling. For people with, let's say, Alzheimer's or whatever. I guess. A doggy tag.
Oh, this is something for Ed. For your dog man. And I actually designed these little PCBs to be as small as these displays. This was the design here. And when I did the PCBs, I wanted to have this directly on these here, but you see the row on top? Yeah. This is where you connect with the bigger one, so you can use the PCB for those kinds of
okay.
Okay, so it fits this one.
Yeah, it will work on this one too. Yeah. And we were talking about this.
Oh, it says slot.
Yeah, it says slot. Yeah,
Yeah. Like it says cock, slot.
Yeah, it knows all the words.
It knows all the best words it knows.
While we were talking about this, we thought about we can do a Wi-Fi version with a input field for 4-letter words, and then tunnel through Richard's firewall over here and put it on the internet. We may be going to do this. Maybe if I.
We're going to get cancelled on the internet really fast.
Bored here.
We're going to get cancelled on the internet really fast. First 10-year-old that gets a hand on the website ruins us.
So we have to ask then, crap or not crap?
This was a research project, mate.
Research.
Into displays, yes, sir.
Let's keep in contact.
Can they be daisy chained, by the way?
They can.
Tony Mahone asked.
So you can get longer words.
Oh yeah.
The big ones, they can be daisy chained. I don't know.
Yeah, and
if
they don't have a lot of material on the side.
Yeah.
So these ones.
Yeah, there you go.
There's no material on the side, so if you butt them together, you don't see the gap in between.
So this,
unpack those.
so the little one, is this actually an LED display? So
Yeah, I think so.
The actual display, can you get it? Is that LED?
Yeah, it is. They have there's a driver on there, but you have to control them in a really this is proper.
Can we get the microscope on?
See, there's barely a gap in between them.
Yeah. Oh wait, we have a microscope. Oh yeah, look at this. Whoa. Yeah.
We have some.
We
good-
sacrificed the second PC, but now we have a microscope on the second video input here.
Yeah, it's fine.
We'll get a HDMI switch and we can switch between them easily.
Yeah.
Can you deactivate the little lights on the yeah, this is perfect. Yeah, because I think now we have less reflections.
It's almost like it's like a Nixie tube type display.
Yeah, and that's what why I said that.
Yeah.
It looks like it, but it's not. It's a LED.
I like that.
Yeah, I really do.
I really like the display on that. That's fun.
Yeah.
Here you have the backside. You can show the people the backside on the microscope.
Some backside action. No.
Yeah, please, backside action, please. Yeah, it's just a blob.
A glob.
Yeah, it's just a blob chip.
Glob top, blob, epoxy encased, whatever you want to call it.
So that blob is part. This is the display. This whole thing.
Cartha, I think these are called bubble displays. Yeah.
Yeah.
I can't remember for the life of me right now what they're called. Maybe I have this on the
They're
PC.
really something different.
Yeah, soldering those by hand is practically impossible, right?
Yeah.
So,
Look at the bonding wires coming off those.
Cobb, isn't that the bubble displays that was in the old?
Yeah.
I'm not
hard.
sure, Carter, because I think the old calculators had a fluorescent bubble display.
No.
They were usually like a turquoise colour.
Tony, I think COB
depends.
chip on board is more like for high power LEDs. These things are old.
Yeah, Cobb is high powered LEDs, definitely.
If you want to show the people the little PCB that's driving this thing.
So that's the PCB.
Yeah.
80 tiny 1614.
Yeah.
Even specify the. You wasted space with silkscreen again.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, it's research project, fine.
No, look, it was in 2021. No, so now I know.
What's read? SCLSDA.
Yeah,
Ground 5
read is a read contact for the
Okay.
for the magnet.
For the magnet.
Oh, for the magnet. Oh, I see. And then JI2C. JI squared I2C. Yeah.
Yeah, if I can remember
I
right, if
see.
memory serves well, this is for the bigger displays, not for the smaller ones.
Yeah.
But this,
I saw the UPDI port that was.
Yeah.
guys, have you any sensible ideas what we could do with these displays?
Building it to a retro mod. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, sure. That's,
No, but yeah,
Let me get back to this. Yeah, so people can see this.
Yeah.
Marvel in the.
I like the. You can see the bonding wires from the.
Yeah.
well, if
Let's
we go and just balance that up on here,
Oh,
a bit
you
closer.
Want to go there? Go for the money shot.
Yeah, and then we there.
Some nice.
Can you
There,
see-
you can see the bonding wires.
You can see the bonding wires inside. Oh, it's like a blob of glue almost over the top of it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think this is how they're made. Yeah.
Yeah, epoxy. I think it's clear epoxy, or as clear as that is.
Yeah. And there's probably some magnification by the blob, so it's a little bit.
That is so nice.
Yeah, it's probably several LED elements.
Yeah.
You're completely right. On
If you look in the top right corner over there, you see HP. I think these were made by HP.
Oh, they're made by HP.
Yeah.
Can we still get these things?
How expensive do you think these are now?
I got them from China. I remember that I got them from China, but
Oh, okay.
for the life of me, I can't remember what they called.
AliExpress.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, look at the magnification. So that is effectively like a lens. You can,
Yeah.
can you see inside from the edge of them?
And you can actually see where it bonds to the small chips.
Yeah.
So it's essentially a lot of LEDs inside one big LED.
Oh yeah, if you look at it, because like those like strips,
They're junctions, exactly.
Oh yeah. You can see the little
the little LEDs on them, like strips of them.
Can you get more magnification?
Yeah, we can get more magnification. We just need something to balance it on so we get closer,
Okay.
Even higher up.
even higher up.
I'll put you on a normal camera before we all get seasick here.
Well, I'll just get the magnification.
Yeah.
You get some
Ooh, yeah.
racist Mario. There we go.
Yeah. Could you do some Italian?
Yeah.
Not if I want to remain on YouTube. It will be very
This
racist.
is a very nice shot.
interpretation.
Wow.
How about
Was a good idea to get the microscope over here.
Yeah.
look at that.
That's interesting.
I really like these little things.
Okay. Yeah.
This is some madness.
That's me resting on the desk causing the shaking because it's so.
Yeah.
The magnification is so high.
This is one finger tap.
Yeah, it's shaking.
So yeah, it shakes. Oh, I dropped my mustache. By the way, mustache is made with a 3D pen.
3D printer.
3D pen, not 3D printer.
Oh, 3D pen, okay.
The 3D printer wasn't used in this case. I thought it was overkill. It turned out good.
The tiny LED elements, yeah, they are. Yeah, Tony, I think these things are amazing. Okay, so it's up to you guys then for the next time. See if you can come up with like some really interesting thing we could build with some of these, and then we can pass that to Detlef. Something for him to do.
How fast are these
Oh
things?
crap!
I should have known.
Just been volunteered.
How fast are these things?
Never tried this.
If we make a spinning display.
Okay, you want to do the spinning bottle on the little ones?
No. I was thinking of a. What's
This is a project for one of the round.
Yeah,
ornaments.
yeah, exactly. No. I was thinking of a spinning display that changes depending on the position in the rotation, so it can display images.
No.
What?
Okay. No. So,
Okay,
so what you do is I can explain this. I've seen
Yes,
them.
you know.
And you used to have them in globes. So you'd have like a plastic
Yeah.
globe.
That's the
Okay.
And inside it is a motor with an arm on, it has a counterbalance.
Yeah.
And on this end of the arm, it has a vertical strip with LEDs on. So the thing rotates at high velocity inside the globe, and the LEDs switch on and off rapidly. So you can put text on the inside of the globe, and the text rotates around. The text can be rotating slowly in either direction or standing still.
I saw those with 3D things where you
Oh, yeah.
put where
These
you
are
have
the new
RGB LEDs on don't know
Yeah, a big
this
fan.
big,
Yeah.
and they have a really fast turning fin and fan, and they're putting things on there that looks like 3D.
Yeah, you could put them on. There was a thing going some years back where like people were modding cars.
Oh,
they,
yeah.
they put them on the hub of the wheel.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So and it was monitoring the speed at which the wheel was rotating. It was putting writing.
Yeah,
It would stay static.
Yeah.
It looked like it was hovering on the wheels.
Yeah.
So that was done in a similar way.
Yeah, that could.
That's
be done with
rotational
these.
direction. And with
These are too dark for this, I'd say. For this, you need high power LEDs.
Yeah, probably.
This is more something for a for this really tiny ones. Oh, I didn't show you these. I have to bring them around. Next time I bring them some around.
Yeah,
These
no, it
15
could
by
work.
15 by 15 mil RGB LEDs.
Great idea, Richard. Which, the one for the car or the spinning?
That was my idea.
The one,
Richard now.
the one for the car would be fun. So you need some sort of rotational sensor so it knows.
I'll de-Mariofy myself. There we go.
Yeah.
This is
Mario!
It's me,
Okay.
Mario.
The spinning, okay, the spinning thing.
Okay.
Yeah, I think you need more. Imagine these are not very bright already. Look again against Mario.
Well,
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
yeah.
And if you spin them,
Can you-
the brightness goes all around there.
Yes, put it in a snow globe, exactly, something like
Yeah.
that, and have it spin.
Yeah, because these are small enough to do it.
Yeah.
Because if you do it with bigger LEDs, the strip will be this big.
Well, the
No,
word
you-
most of it on what I
you
saw.
can
SMDs.
You can use 15 by 1.5 by 1.5 mil LEDs.
Yeah, but these will have higher resolution because they have more segments.
Yeah, but you don't have the brightness.
Yeah, and the
brightness
thing
will
was
kill you.
rotating very fast.
Brightness
Yeah,
will
really
kill you.
fast. Yeah.
This was
Yeah.
using like 50-50 or
Yeah.
or 38. What do you call it?
yeah, the
3825 or
the
those type
normal
of
ones
LEDs.
they use for
Yeah, like
signals.
on an LED strip, effectively. It was using it with each one switched.
Yeah.
And you could use RGB ones. You could switch them up
Yeah,
in different colours. And
I'll bring one.
yeah, let's play with that
one.
idea. I think the rotational sensors are fun with that, so it synchronises.
Yeah.
Give me a sec.
Yeah. Okay, so while we're thinking about that,
And Mario's typing something mysterious.
The
Would-
mount.
would you guys like?
I love this thing.
Yeah, you do that. And while Carl's doing that, how about if we set fire to something?
You wanted to ask the people what they want to see.
Yeah.
Let me collect all my crappy ideas.
Okay. So
One of you guys want to have no my two little marks. I only have one of these two little marks, and it reminds me of good old Düsseldorf. Good times. Sometimes if people from Düsseldorf are watching, you know.
Sounds like a Harry Potter city or something.
okay. So
Let's see.
yeah, Carl should just see if we can buy these things that we're thinking of building.
Yeah, you can buy them, but they're quite
They're
expensive.
quite expensive. So, did you guys see the video I made this week where I took a resistor, power resistor that was open circuit, and I well, not really me, because it was some subscribers, figured out how we could actually measure the value of an open circuit resistor. And during that video, some other subscribers said, well, we'd like to see you do that with a 1/4 watt or a 2 watt carbon film resistor, or a carbon resistor. Would you guys like to see us try that today? If we can actually read the value, if we just burn like a normal 1/4 watt resistor, can we read the value?
People are voting for fire and explosions and mutilations.
That's normal.
In that case, okay, so that's it. One moment after Carlos has found what he's looking for, let's try this experiment.
Found a few of them.
Okay.
Here is an advanced version, but pretty much the same idea. I use 4 strips.
Ah, now we can't see that.
No, but we can show the.
I have to put the microscope to do
we
that.
can use the camera for this.
We can use the camera. It's fine. They'll get the general idea.
Yeah.
These things are quite new on the market. They've been there a while, but they recently got popularity for doing advertisement outside the shops in Japan.
Yeah, you know what the big problem is? Oh yeah, you can do these,
Yeah.
And you can do that with it.
Yeah. So it's 3 spinning displays practically that work together, and you can have some. Yeah, they slow them down there, so you can see the spin.
Yeah. 3 spinning displays, and they project images.
Yeah, and they actually draw it by measuring exactly where they are positioned in the rotation.
Can we run that again?
Yeah, there should be actually quite a few more videos normally. Should I?
Yeah, I can't use that thing.
Yeah, I know. Okay.
So that's the thing itself.
Yeah, so you can see all the displays here. Well, let's just open another one that has only one display. That makes it a lot easier to.
Be interesting to see if can we build something like this?
Yeah. Okay. Not that high detail, obviously, because that looks amazing. It's like it displays inside the ring. You see here.
Yeah.
So
you know what the big problem with those is? I saw the video from Atomic 14. If you're watching, great videos. And he bought one of those. But by the way, he hurt himself very bad when he touched the rotors.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. But the biggest problem he had was all what you're seeing there are demos.
Yeah.
Nice demos. But to produce something that yourself,
you have to know 3D modeling.
Yeah,
there's no way around it.
Yeah, you have to do 3D modeling, and I have no idea how the video format is done for these things. So,
I know. I've already done some research.
Okay.
It's a normal video format. You just have to render it in the orientation you want. So you do the rotation and scaling in the 3D program and then render it out that way. And you can actually specify a round frame in the 3D rendering software, so it actually fits to.
Well, we could try and make something lower res and more basic.
Yeah, we can do your logo spinning in 3D.
You know that this is about a month and a half of programming,
of course.
So I'm out.
I'll see what I can do with stuff I have at home, and if I see it works,
but we can do.
I upgrade it.
Since PCBWay is on our side.
Yes.
We could do the hardware there, because the hardware is simple. It's just a PCB with LEDs on it.
Yeah, and with it has to have a sensor for the position.
You normally better have this in the motor, on the
wouldn't you have like a disc with lines on it?
Yeah,
it does some sort, which goes to a sensor.
You don't need
it does some sort of quadratry.
It just needs to know when it starts. So after one rotation, I know how long the rotation takes.
Oh yeah, and then you split it up.
And I only need the start.
It's synchronized. So that can just be a notch in the PCB, because PCB we can make as PCBs any sort of shape you want.
Yeah, but you don't need this. You get when you get the motor for this, you order a motor that has a synchronized output.
Okay.
There's a pin on the motor that tells you. Now I'm at position 0, position 0, position 0, position 0.
Yeah, and you can calculate how many steps you want.
Yeah, you can do a incremental measurement thing on this too. Yeah. I'm not reading comments right now.
Tony, that is really, really clever.
Yeah, it sounds like an awesome experiment.
Could use quadcopters with lines of text. Okay, quadcopters. Ooh. You want to PM Chris, you want to have the text on the rotors? So on the lower side of the rotors.
On the other side, but wouldn't that offset the balance quite a lot?
No, the controller can handle it, but this is they're rotating fast, really fast.
Yeah, but
and I think
they do have position sensors on the rotors.
Yeah, without getting into the firmware of the machine itself. So you need to have this pulse.
Now
You don't want to get you don't want to disassemble the whole operating system of the drone to get a synchronizing pulse.
Oh yeah, right.
And these are controlled by ECS.
Okay, yeah.
ECS is right.
BLDC or ECS.
ECS, and these don't know where they are. They simply know what rotation is on there. And
If it's a BLDC, you
other
can
propellers.
get
On the downside, right? PM Crisp. You want to have this on the downside, so you fly up and you can read what's written on the.
Fuck off.
Like on a drone with the four rotors.
Yeah, so fuck off. Pretty much.
Just thinking about the the rotor blades on the Mavic Pro. It's this side.
Yeah,
This size.
Yeah, but
But with Tony here, loads of centrifugal force.
And
if they're rotating about 3,000 rounds
how do we get the data over to the LEDs and the power?
Oh, that's true. Yeah, how do you get the data onto the LEDs? Because this thing is just a stick which is spinning around.
Yeah, and it has four contacts.
This is true. So so obviously when the thing's rotating, you need to get the data onto the LEDs.
See,
you could just mount a microcontroller on the top of the rotor in the middle.
Yeah, but how do you get it? Then you still need to get the power over there.
Battery.
Oh, a battery. Yeah, that would be.
Battery would be easy because otherwise you'd have to use like a rotating transformer in the hub.
What you can do? That's what they do.
That's what they do with this.
Could be an interesting thing if you made a battery. Here's the knob.
Yeah.
So the motor's here,
Yeah.
and the controller LEDs.
Yeah.
So you have
just stick them on.
a counterweight. So because this is balanced.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
We have a nice project done.
Right around advertising. Don't get us started.
Now you can't fly over people with a big drone.
How about that helicopter you've got?
That would be cool on a real helicopter.
Oh, the helicopter has blades this long.
Yeah.
No, but if you
but
put
the
it
helicopter
on
can
a
take
real,
a bit of weight as well. I think.
If you put it on a real helicopter, it would be awesome.
Oh yeah, a real helicopter.
No, centrifugal forces. This was rip everything apart.
Epoxy onto the rotor.
And if that doesn't work, gaffer tape.
Holy crap! First crash ever because of LEDs on a helicopter.
That would be pretty amazing.
I think I frown on this.
Have you seen the spherical display in Las Vegas, the new one?
No.
It's a brutally big globe, and they can display anything on it. And they just did a big eye that looks at you when you're golfing and stuff. It looks amazing, and it's so big you can actually see it from the entire Las Vegas. Let's see if I can.
And it uses similar technology.
No, it doesn't spin.
It doesn't spin. Oh, it's just
it's
just an LED globe.
Yeah, but it looks so Las Vegas. What's it called? Eye or something? I can't remember what it's called. If someone knows what its name is.
I haven't heard of
display. No, I saw a demonstration.
Display ball.
A U2 concert.
The world's biggest LED sphere
display.
Oh yeah, of course.
Something like that.
Money's not a quiz. Money's not a question.
Yeah, you can do these kind of things. There we go. We have a nice short video. Okay, so this is enormously big.
This is giant.
Yeah, you can see the cars down here.
Oh yeah, you can. That is huge.
It's enormous.
Is that going to play?
I think so.
Remember,
this is the horrible internet.
No, I don't think we're going to be making one of these things.
I'm glad it wasn't other type of ads. That's for sure. I wasn't really sure.
I don't know what he's doing to her, but this.
No, it's ING. It's safe.
It's offering loans.
Yeah,
that was offering loans.
Okay.
I use that bank. It's fine. I knew what.
And I know enough Spanish to understand what he was saying.
Okay, so that's the globe. So it's they do shows inside, and it has the same diameter display inside as well. So they had a concert inside, a U2 concert.
Oh yeah, you can see the cars down there.
Yeah, it's massive.
This is some serious processing power.
Oh yeah, you can't drive this with something normal.
No.
And the amount of LEDs. I wonder how it's set up. It looks amazing. So this is probably the most advanced LED project in the world.
53
it's
square
amazing.
meters of programmable LED lighting.
53 square meters of programmable LEDs.
Largest LED
Fuck
screen
my
on
life.
earth.
But it looks amazing.
And these animations doesn't even look really fancy. I think you can do
No,
way better.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, there we
This is
go.
Cool.
It looks something
Yeah.
out of an alien movie or something.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks there like it was the moon. Look.
Yeah,
This is a train going past.
that's amazing. I want to go see this thing. And they do have concerts inside the globe,
Yeah.
so it projects all around you.
Yeah.
They had a U2 concert, and no one was watching the concert. They were
Because
all
we're all
watching the globe.
Oh, so they have LEDs on the inside and the outside.
Yeah,
You can view it from both, or you can view it from both sides.
from both sides, yeah. And people outside can also enjoy it while there is a
Yeah.
concert. Las Vegas Display Concert.
Dutch has an idea for the battery powered, for the wing thing. Wing thing, now it has a name.
The thing on the wing, yeah, the thing on the wing.
Yeah, instead of a battery on the wings, you could use a coil to use magnetic field to get electricity into loading the like loading a.
Would you get enough current?
For a micro, yeah. For the processor, I wouldn't be.
But for the LEDs,
But the LEDs, if we need to push LEDs out there, you need amps.
Yeah.
You don't get along with some
there's
30,
the
40 mil. You need probably tenfold. So this would be really, really big coils, and they have to be on the rotor.
Yeah.
And I don't think so, Dutch. Good thinking there, but with LEDs now, not yet. Maybe in 10 years. Maybe in 10 years when they get so efficient that we can do this.
Yeah.
The downlap is killing me here.
How about them burning some resistors and let's see if we can measure?
Oh yeah, come on. You want to do?
I want to do that. I want to set fire to something.
Let's kill some
Set
resistors.
fire to the. Sure, sorry. I shut up now.
Fire and flames would be better.
So,
Stop googling there.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
yeah. So we can.
We don't want to see your underwear.
I don't have any underwear on.
I just realised the cafe isn't open.
Coffee.
Cafe.
No, it isn't open. The outside door is still closed.
They took a free day, I guess.
Oh,
no.
they will be in.
They'll be no in when the church is open.
I'm still waiting for it. He's called Carlos too. And,
The happy clappers.
yeah, no, the Clappers has a church. Carlos is the coffee owner.
Oh, I didn't know he was also named Carlos.
Yeah, he's been. So, okay, so we have then make some space. Oops, that's
My
sticky.
mustache.
That's a sticky moustache.
Yeah.
Can we get a camera onto this?
I think we can, sir.
Incredible resolution. Yeah, Tony. I agree.
All right, Richard prepared something here.
Yeah. So we have two resistors here.
Let me just zoom. Okay, now I'm really crapping out here. Sorry.
Okay, we have two resistors here.
Huh.
So what we're going to do is we're going to pass too much current through them. I don't know if you want to get your thermal camera or whether we don't really need it. You probably can't get in the shot anyway.
I need a better shot here. Yeah, let's go over there. I need to use this hand out.
Okay. So at the moment it's set to 0 volts on the power supply. I don't think they'll short out against the metal of this.
It shouldn't.
It shouldn't do. So
It doesn't have bare metal.
you probably can't see that in the shot anyway.
No. I'll pull it up when it's necessary.
So we're going to pass some current through these resistors. So let's see what happens. Whoa!
Oh,
Yeah.
magic smoke already.
Oh, it smells bad. 150.
So I think that one probably failed.
You think?
Oh no, it's still passing current.
Still passing current and smelly. And
Over 150 degrees.
Okay.
Okay.
That's max on the.
So
display.
that's one of them.
This is probably causing cancer and stuff.
And then I've turned the voltage down again. So we're going to do the other one. And then Carlos
Yes.
is going to see if he can measure the value of the resistors. Did you watch the video I made?
No.
Oh, well, that makes it even more fun then.
I didn't have time. Sorry.
So we'll give it some voltage. Okay. And that one is also
Yeah, it flashed and banged and
flashed and banged
and exploded.
and it's exploded. So
I hate sacrificial resistors.
Yeah.
shall I open the door a moment?
Yeah.
Shall I open the door a moment?
No,
So
that
let's all-
don't think
It's
that will help.
it's fine because it's so warm outside.
Yeah,
I'd rather have the smell and the AC
It
on.
isn't warm anymore, man.
It's still
So we have a resistor. We have
23 only.
Should I send you back to Germany and feel real cold?
It was now,
Fuck off, Mario.
a couple of days ago, it was 32.5.
Okay, so
Oh, you said a bad word, didn't you?
Oh,
yeah.
sorry.
So, we get the microscope.
Lily is correcting us.
Yeah, sorry, Lily.
Okay.
Sacrificial resistors.
And we can switch to the microscope view now.
Here we go.
Yeah, we need something.
The microscope
different
has
color,
stopped
I
doing
guess.
anything. What's going on with the microscope?
Oh.
Maybe it doesn't have enough light.
Oh, maybe it's because I've focused it completely
Oh,
on.
yeah.
I'm working on it.
Right.
Oh, there we go.
And let's go to the microscope.
That's the little one.
And that's the big one.
-4. Carter, where are you? At the North Pole?
Holy. -4.
We have
At the day. In the day.
By the way, guys, they're complaining about 28 degrees C.
We do.
Just so you know, the relative.
So, what I did is on the video, I actually followed some instructions effectively that some subscribers said. So what they said is that if we use a Dremel, or you can use I've got some wire brushes and things, and you scrape away the
outer layer.
you should be able to see the conducting spiral.
Yeah. Okay.
And if you measure from one end to halfway from either end, because it should be burned in one place.
One place. Yeah, you can see which side burns first.
And if you can't measure from one end to the middle and then double that, you can try measuring one turn.
Yeah.
And then multiplying it by how many turns there are.
Good idea, I guess.
But it works. It works. So I made a video and it worked really, really well.
Yeah. Okay.
So I thought.
We have a scrape.
Carter from northern Sweden, he says it's -4 there.
Okay. Northern Sweden, yeah. In the south, they still have about 5 degrees C.
Yeah. So here in the day now is.
I'm from Malmo, so.
Well, we went out down to Playa del Inglés yesterday to do about 8 in the evening to get a takeaway, and it was 23 then.
25 is a bullshit. If you go outside, it's over 30 now.
It's a lot more than that.
Yeah.
So I don't know. You can scrape with a scraper, or you can.
Yeah, I think I go with.
I've got a stiff brush. I've got isopropyl. I've got a Dremel. Whatever you want to use.
Go for this first.
Is it bigger than the bigger? Bigger than the small one first.
I think I see some. Oh yeah.
You have the multimeter, so you can sort of see maybe if you have any conduction. Do you want some isopropyl to clean it with?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. That's exactly what I need.
Greg says highs highs here in Canada will be 0 C in a couple of days.
It's actually warmer in Canada than in Sweden.
This is
Awesome.
Yeah, welcome to the climate catastrophe. Yeah. And Dutch 13 in Holland. Netherlands, sorry mate.
And people ask me why I don't go back to Sweden.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
When we get into the coldest, like the coldest day in winter here, like sometime January, February, it might go down to like 15 at night.
Yeah.
That's cold.
The coldest I gotten is during your hurricane. I got 12.
You get down to 12, plus 12.
Yeah, plus 12, of course.
But guys, remember, here's always sun. This is always sun. It never feels like 15 or something. It's always warm. It feels always warmer.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so this. Really,
So that's what you have.
this is a metal can.
Well, do you want to see if you can measure from one end to anywhere in that?
Yeah, that's exactly what I was going.
Right, go
What,
for it.
I'm looking for the middle points.
Well,
should be there.
maybe it's all solid fused.
Yeah, no, I'm trying to get down to it. There we go.
Right, so can we get the multimeter into one shot somewhere? No, that's not going to work.
Nah, that's not going to work. Greg says the coldest day here could be -40.
Oh my god!
To our place, this is 80 degrees difference.
Yeah, is that -40 in the day or at night?
Probably at night. Okay, so
Let me try if I can.
Oh yeah, right. Let's we get the meter.
This is
Can we get them both?
Wait,
Yeah,
let me try.
wait one moment while we set the
Copy.
camera up and make
Get
it.
over here.
Right, one moment.
Control V and then shrink
Resize
this.
that's it.
yeah,
And then
There we
focus
go.
it. Then focus it on the meter.
yeah.
Don't stress me out, mate.
I'll get you a beer.
Oh, this is a good idea. This is always a good idea.
Nice, good, quick setup.
Sometimes I have my moments.
Yeah, we had the 52 degrees this year on one of the days.
Yeah. This is where your crocs melted.
Yep, they did. Really fun experience.
We did have 52 degrees centigrade one day.
Yeah.
Out of shot.
On the day, Greg says this is minus 40 at in the day.
Holy.
This is the
Out of
point
shot.
where when you throw water in the air, it freezes right away, right?
Okay.
Okay, so we're at the middle there.
Well, okay, so what do you have?
At night, it chills, with wind chills, we get close to minus 50.
So
Is this measured in ohms?
it's kilo ohms, I think. I can't really see.
Yeah. I'll count up with it.
Okay, so it's 45
45
kilo
kilo.
ohms. So that should indicate that it's half of that, right? So it's double that.
It should, but
So at 100 kilo ohms.
I tell you now, 100 kilo ohms resistor wouldn't have burnt off the voltage values anyway.
That's what I would
Yeah.
say.
So this is not giving us. Does the resistor measure anything?
Try the other way around.
Yeah.
Does the resistor measure anything?
Yeah, I think it does because it passed current.
Chris reminds us.
Oh,
remember,
it's from side to side. It's the same.
yeah,
so
Chris reminds us. Remember, guys, Chinese electronics are the best. They can operate right down to minus 500 Celsius.
Oh, really? So,
Thanks, mate.
so the can.
They are the best.
Okay, so let's look at this because
Yeah.
that doesn't make sense.
No.
So it okay. So did the legs fuse to the outer body?
Try and measure from the other leg.
I did.
So from either leg.
I will get 45 kilo ohms.
Okay.
Can't you see the thing over there?
Yeah,
There's one winding and the other one. Can you try to measure between them?
Yeah, we will go.
Yeah. Effectively one turn.
Yeah,
We'll try.
I'm really trying. Okay, that's it.
We know. We try.
It slips. So it's a mega ohm.
This is
Yeah.
probably your fingers.
Yeah. I wasn't touching the black one. with
Okay.
my
Alright.
fingers, so it shouldn't be.
PM Chris, minus 473 Kelvin. Yeah, this is roughly.
Operating voltage.
60, 50, 60. So okay, so this is trying to show us it's something like a 50 or 60k resistor.
Yeah.
What about the other one?
So let's scrape this one.
You want to scrape it or just try? I might try and clean it first with just some ISO and a stiff brush.
Stiff brush, ISO.
So see if that helps.
There we go, in shot. Holy, it was really. It looks like one of my steaks. When I go to a restaurant, I ask for
Charcoal.
a piece of charcoal because they don't understand how well done I want it. I can't eat something squishy.
You heathen.
Yeah, I know. You don't like that.
So basically, with a steak, you want to make sure it's dead.
Yeah. I don't want to hear it move when I eat it.
No, how's that work?
Come on, you guys. Help me out here. Steak must be raw, right? Right? Come on.
Ew.
In the channel, in the chat now. Steak must be raw.
What's it measure? Let's have it.
Let's go from side to side first.
You put your fingers on one.
Yeah.
One.
Yes, that's exactly what I was going to do.
What's that read?
Don't know.
8 kilo ohms.
8 kilo ohms thereabout.
Okay, no way.
And then we go from winding to winding. Nothing. He wants to. Oh. So it's not really
Medium rare.
clean.
Okay,
clean
I can
enough.
get away with. Greg, I can live with medium rare.
Okay, let's scrape.
If there's nothing else available.
Yeah. With the whiny pants here.
Oh, you guys are medium, really? Come on.
I'm a Bianetto.
What's a Bianetro?
Bianetto.
Yeah, Bianetro. Okay, well done.
Well done.
Okay. Bianetro. I thought you were going
Bianetto.
Italian.
Here's a strange thing, guys, while Carl's is doing that about Spanish. I find this strange. So, like, if you have a steak,
Yeah.
well done, it's Bianetto.
Yeah.
Because the steak, like Phil, is solo mio.
Yeah.
But if you have a hamburger, well done, it's Bianetta. Because the
Bianetta,
hamburger is hamburguesa. So the hamburger is female, so the well done
Yeah.
also becomes female.
Yeah, pretty much. Spanish language is a pain in the ass to learn. That's for sure. Okay, so I have some clean points now to try this out from spiral to spiral.
Oh, the three amigos.
Tony says, you got a new handle. The missus just came down the stairs and asked me if I was drinking the Tres Amigos.
So what's that? What's happened to the meter?
The meter disappeared.
The meter
Tony.
disappeared.
Best wishes to the missus. Thank you for that.
Detlef?
I should switch on the meter. Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, you were running out of shot there.
Out of...
Well, I can say then that this method, I can tell you now, is not working.
No, it's not.
And I'll tell you what the resistors are, and we'll try something else. So the larger one,
No, come on.
the larger one is a 10 ohm resistor,
I can make sure the stake is down. It's empty stack.
and the bigger one
That makes sense.
is a 120 ohm resistor, the small one.
Una cerveza always
120.
works.
This was
Brings you to the day.
45.
Gets you
Yeah,
through
this
the
was
day.
like 45k, and it's a 120,
And this one went outside the range.
and it's actually a 10. So let's try now. If we get the Dremel and actually try to get some of this charred stuff off.
Yeah.
And what I suggest you try and do is measure. Well, there's only one turn, isn't there, on this really? You see where the scratch is there.
Yeah. There's only one term.
So try get the Dremel either side of that and see what it reads.
Please, somebody. Dutch, cheers, mate. At least one is going in.
I like my face to move. Yeah, I have a friend that does the same.
At least.
Okay.
When you come over here, we go to the steakhouse.
We do have some excellent steaks here.
Yeah. We were last week. Was last week we were in Panamidas?
Yeah.
And they have this T-bone. The T-bone is about half the size of Canada.
I'll tell you the story about the T-bone when you can hear me. Okay, what have you got now? You move? That must be enough.
No.
Does that read anything?
Okay, so I scraped off a lot there.
Yeah, a good scratch. Yeah, so try and read either side of that.
Oh,
I think you scraped all the way through. I think that was
Yeah,
too
this
much.
looks like you're down to the ceramics.
But you see where you've scraped all the way through?
Oh, I should switch on the voltmeter.
Yeah, I did.
Okay. But what you've...
No, I did.
Yeah, you're still reading very high.
Yeah, I did.
Okay, right, so you see where you've cut all the way through here?
Yeah.
I'll let you find where you are.
There.
There, you've cut all the way through.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Yes.
So, can we manage to
From
measure
one side.
from one side to the other of this cut? I'll get one of the probes.
I'll go for this one.
No, if you try to get onto that, see there, you try to get onto there.
There.
No, here.
No.
Here.
There.
Can you see where I'm pointing here?
Okay.
Try and get somewhere on
Ah,
there,
okay, there.
and I'll try and get the other side of it.
Oh,
Dig into it a bit.
Oh, there's,
Ah!
there's an ohm thing coming up.
20 something.
Let's try and get a better connection than
Yeah,
that.
I'm trying to poke it in. Sir? I'm pressing really hard.
I'm pressing really hard as well. For the moment,
I'm drinking beer.
I saw it.
Yeah, and it was pretty close.
It was in the ohms.
Yeah. Oh, there we go.
So you're on there, and I'm on the car.
Yeah. No.
No. I don't know how we actually...
We lost it. Yeah, wait, let me wonder about a bit. No. Okay.
But you were on there, okay.
Yeah, no, that makes sense. Let's go over here.
There!
So half
5 ohms.
5 ohms, and that's
Yeah,
half.
we saw.
And that's half of the measurement.
There we go. It's not very stable. Oh yeah, there exactly.
5 ohms, and we know, and the resistance was actually 10 ohm.
Yeah. Okay.
Well, this works.
Now let's try it on the other one.
Oh yeah, good. Okay, we have to.
So we have to again cut through one of the
Yeah.
turns.
Okay.
Oh, that's too big.
That's going to be hard. Look at the size of the blade.
Yeah, that's not going to work well, is it?
If you give me an X-Acto knife, I can do it.
You okay? I can give you an
I'm
X-Acto knife.
quite used to fiddly stuff, so I'm probably going to stab myself after saying that.
There should be a scalpel in that little tool thing you got there.
In the tool thingy. We did the
Can't see any
bigger-
knives.
knives.
I take one of your nice tweezers then.
No, joke, I'll find you a knife.
He's working fast enough.
You think this could work?
Dental tick, yes, maybe. They are a lot sharper than the other tools I had. No, but not sharp enough to go through the box.
I have the knife for you. Here you go.
Okay, perfect. And go for the
Is
knife.
this sort of thing you want? Was that too big?
Holy. Maybe.
Maybe you simply press down there.
Ah. I don't have child safe stuff.
Engraver tool might work. Yeah, you're onto something there. Yeah. I think it all depends on how many times you really need this. To me, this is very theoretical because normally on the other side I don't repair.
No, this is too big.
I normally build.
Okay.
It's not going to work that well.
And that's too big.
Give me a second.
I can give you a small. I can give you a thinner one.
Do you have a thinner wheel?
While the guys are playing around here, Judge considered to send Mr. Bleep to DEFPROM to have its bleep speed tested. It has a specialized tool to do that.
Oh.
I never heard of this. Can you get us some more information about DEFPROM? We think about. I know that the short bleep was 80 milliseconds, and we tried this with a fluke, and the fluke started to bleep after 80 milliseconds. So we know that we're faster than 80 milliseconds to detect anything. We probably can do a thing where we measure the speed with a second CPU, but I think, do you really need to know how fast this thing is? He's on YouTube. Okay, we can contact him, Rich.
Yeah, sure.
So is it DEFPOM? I've seen this channel.
Not DEFPOM.
POM.
Yeah.
No, the other one you don't want to search up. I'm guessing.
Does somebody?
Good suggestion. I'll take a screenshot now so we remember this because we probably have forgot this tomorrow.
Mr. Bleep to DEFPOM.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've seen this guy.
Yeah, I think I've seen something from
Specialized tools. Sure, we can do that.
Yeah.
It would
We
be
talked to
fun.
him. Thanks, mate.
Yeah, Dutch, is DEFPOM interested in this? Have you already spoke with them or?
Yeah, I'll make some noise now and respond in the chat.
Again.
I should be through.
Okay.
Yeah. No, wrong way.
Okay.
Okay, so.
No, we didn't see anything. Yeah.
No, sorry, but this is really close to my fingers when I'm
So you think you've cut through?
Yeah, there, that one.
Okay, so now try and measure either side of that. So we'll use it.
Okay, so this is going to be really hard. Okay, so let's
That's
push
what she said. Sorry.
So I'll try and get in.
At least I'm not typing with one hand this time.
Get it shot, mate.
Yeah, I'm trying. Okay, so I'll hold it
No,
down.
you're not in the shot there.
Yeah, this is very crappy.
Yeah, there.
Sorry. Wasn't.
So this is where we try and do it now. We get very friendly now. So I'll try and get this side.
Yeah, and I go this side.
This is tiny.
Kind of ohms. Oh, 13 ohms. We see 13 ohms.
Half a turn, and we have two.
How many turns do we have?
1, 2, 3. 3.
Are you sure we have 3 turns?
This is the 1, then 2, then 3. Yeah.
Well, if you have 3, then that's giving us a total of about 39, but it's actually 120.
120?
120 yeah.
Yeah, so that didn't work on the small
that
one.
didn't work on the small
It
one,
probably
worked on the bigger one.
fused inside.
Yeah. Okay, so for those who ask, can we do it on small resistors? Maybe.
Probably not.
Probably not. But on the larger ones, yeah.
Yeah, it did work on the larger one. I'm quite impressed, and it will be helpful to identify charred resistors on PSUs and stuff that have chunkier resistors.
Yeah, but there again, you can say it's a low risk value resistor.
Yeah,
which is better than knowing nothing.
Yeah, no, that's true. That's really true.
You start off knowing nothing, so
just give me a sec. I'm just going to put a safety guard on
this.
This
looks horrible.
And that goes that way. It goes that way.
Yeah.
You don't need this. I think you simply do that.
Yeah, I know. Just make it child safe for Richard.
Yes.
he has a lot of children running around.
Okay. No.
No, he doesn't.
I do. You know what? You see these? Do you see these adverts on the television
Yeah.
for like washing powder and various things?
Oh yeah.
And on these adverts, it says always keep away from children, and I say definitely. Remember that, guys. Always keep away from children.
Judge says what was DEFCON always complains about the bleep short detections are too slow on multimeters, so he may be surprised about Mr. Bleep.
Yeah.
Well, we should get in contact. Yeah.
Cool.
We do, mate. Thanks for the tip. Thanks for the tip, mate.
It was damn fast. As Det says, on like a diode, for example, because the diode gives us a bleep, and the bleep is 80 milliseconds.
Yeah.
And we could clearly hear Mr. Bleep went bleep and stopped bleeping before the fluke started to bleep.
Yep. So the fluke is at least 80, say 90 mil.
There was an audible gap in between.
Yeah. And we are talking about the fluke. Good quality.
Yeah. Talking about things. You guys out there, you have downloaded Mr. Bleep quite a lot. We have 124 downloads from the platform we have over there. So 124 people out there had downloaded the Gerbers, had downloaded the IDE.
I was one of them.
Okay, so we have 123 people out there.
123 people in Carlos.
Excluding me.
If you were one of those, let us see some. Tell us some about some of your experience. Was this a good download? Did you get something? Are you fine with that? This is for me just to fine tune the process.
Cafe's open. 1 moment.
I know. Can you ask Maria for coffee?
I can.
You want a snack, babies?
Oh, they do. If you come down here,
Okay.
they do a great job.
I'll be right back.
What do you want?
The kid has to go to the bathroom.
We want one
You're
coffee.
leaving me alone now. Nice.
Okay, let's do this. Yeah. Come on, let's go.
Dutch is going to build it for testing shorts. Very nice. Yep. Yeah.
Come, let's go. Oh yeah, the keys to the bathroom.
Over there, on the shelf over there.
I'll be right back.
So while I'm with you guys here. Yeah. Oh yeah, Dutch, please do. Film it and upload it to YouTube. We do in the comments on this one.
I got the shot.
We got you covered. So, when the guys are leaving me here, well, I do some commercials here, right? So, upcoming next week, you probably watched the UPDI thing. UPDI is just a programming interface for people who are sick of doing the ICSP or don't want to do the Arduino thing. And we were talking about next week we'll do a video with Richard.
Yeah, who's back?
Be careful of the dark web.
The dark web. Always keep away from the dark web.
And we're going to do the expansion for. Thank you very much. I feel so much Mario mode-like. We're doing the expansion for the multi-load. We're going for the daughter board with the display. And actually, I can show you things for this because I was playing around with this today.
This video we're talking about now will be published on Wednesday.
Oh, you already have the schedule on this?
Yes.
Okay.
Wednesday.
Let me see. Yeah. So this is right in the middle of the development cycle of it. Can I have the power bank, please?
You can have the power bank.
I'll take this one.
You take that one. So while Det's connecting this up, the daughter board for the multi-load will give us a watts current and voltage display. And this is just a...
Come on. There's no reflection. Okay, this is working. This will be the heart and the display of it. Up there you see a little ATM, of course, a little ATM controller. This is a tiny 1614. This is, of course, programmed by UPDI. You see the really cheap programmer over there.
Yeah.
And yeah, this is a normal OLED display, and the power bank just fell asleep because it thought there's not enough current going on.
Yeah. So while Det's holding that in focus, we were actually having a conversation this morning because to display watts, current and voltage, we need to have characters, and we have to actually store the map for the characters on the processor. So we realised we only need like 0 to 9 characters. We needed a decimal point, we need a W for watts, I for current, V for volts, and an equal sign. Actually, I forgot what an equal maybe.
We don't need an equal.
Okay.
But I was playing around with this, and I thought I used one of the tiny ones. The the also common and very well known and very well liked 8020 these little 8-pin thing over here. And yeah, I tried to compile a simple demo. I just wanted to do a simple demo, wanted to have some lines drawn on the display, and the compiler was laughing at me. He was laughing at me because I was trying to put 8 kilobytes of code into this little 4 kilobyte machine. So we screwed with the 412.
And it wasn't really 8 kilobytes of code. How much of that was the actual character map for the...
The character map is about 2 kilobytes.
Yeah.
And it depends on how much you want to put in there. This could get really big. We're going to use a character map that really only is... let me get to the normal.
Well, it was 0 to 9,
Yeah.
W, I, and V.
Yeah,
And the decimal point.
we probably will do this like we get the 0 to 9, the decimal point,
Yeah.
and do the rest as graphics.
Yeah,
We don't load
Go watch.
the W, the V, and the I. We simply do a graphics background and do this as a bitmap. And simply every time we refresh, we simply drop the graphics background in and simply write over this. This
Why
is probably
is that an advantage? Because I would have thought that just the character for a W takes no more space than a 0 to 9.
Well, we
or
will
for a
need,
V or an I.
if this should look anywhere where it is a bit nice,
Yeah.
we're going to need some graphics anyways. And I'd say from the gut feeling, this is just gut feeling, we be better off with doing a graphics map anyways, and simply drawing on the graphics map than getting the little things over there. This is what would be more.
This is the man. This is the man. I will go along with this and wait till I see what he looks like. Yeah, this is the man.
Yeah.
So, guys, that's on Wednesday. You'll see the video on my channel where we're going to look at the various what do we call them? Not factors, but like. Forget the word for them.
You haven't got a word.
Like the design criteria.
Oh yeah.
The design criteria, what we need to consider to get this little daughter board onto the multi-mode.
Yeah. We'll do this in the video because we want to talk about this. You guys probably want to know what's the thought process behind the whole project there.
Yeah.
And this is actually part of this. This is right in the middle here. I was doing the groundwork here, getting a feel for this. Will this work on the CPU? Will this work on the CPU?
Yeah.
Dutch saying, can you do this on an Arduino to drive displays? Yeah, sure, you can use an Arduino. We don't want to do an Arduino because an Arduino is really big. We're going to need a voltage regulator that can handle the 5 to say 30 volts because multi-load will have loads of volts in there. And there will be some. Maria isn't trying.
She's making a coffee.
Yeah, get in, girl.
It's fine.
Hi, Maria.
Hello.
Hey, Maria. How you doing?
Enjoy your coffee. I'm fine, thanks. How are you?
Look, I have to wear Mario.
Really cool, guys. Have fun.
Thank you.
Coffee. Okay, so
we're actually using the U8 G2 OLED driver for all the graphics. This is the one I'm most familiar with, and I'm probably developing fast enough. If you choose a CPU like this, there's actually, I think, 10 cents price difference. So why use a 412 when you have to use little, really small things? The 412 is a nice thing. If you want to use something bigger, we have 16K of flash in here, so it will be fine. I did a compile run with a full character set, and I'm somewhere around 10K. Remember, this is only to drive the OLED. Only the OLED, some character maps, and we're already at 10K.
wow.
That's what I thought.
So, shall we look at some cheap Chinese crap?
There we go.
Cheap Chinese crap, do you think?
Yeah, CCC. Yeah, sure. Why not?
I don't know. Did we look at this thing before?
Where do you get this programmer? Tony, sorry,
Oh.
just to finish
Sorry,
up
Tony.
for Tony, pointed to the thing over here. This programmer is just an USB to serial. And you see the little resistor over here. The little resistor is the whole... Wait, let me point to this.
Don't dip it in your coffee.
Yeah, I try not to get this.
So that's standing up resistor.
This little resistor here is the whole thing. You simply have a resistor between TX and RX, and you have UPDI. This is all.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, you only need this. This is
I was waiting for that video, but I missed it. So
okay.
I'm
Yeah.
going to check that out.
UPDI is a standard programming interface made by Atmo for all the RVR series 1, 0, and 2. I don't
But
know
this
why
is
it's
a Euro.
in sequence.
This is really good if it works.
This was okay.
Okay, time for some real CCC.
Tony, if you want to know more, text me under my video where I explained UPDI. If you have any questions, if you guys have any questions,
Ask Dad.
ask me.
Yeah, UPDI is not my thing.
Grab the cheapest one. Use one with this GH340 on this.
Crap, I'm...
The normally about €1 or something. In
CH341A program.
No, CF340.
Oh, the 34s, okay.
Yeah, these are the USB to serial things.
Yeah, I want to bring them home this time.
Yeah.
Okay, so time for CCC.
Oh, CCC.
We have this. USB, no, Bluetooth IP camera.
What?
It's in the CCC box.
Really?
How much was this?
This is a CCC box. It's definitely, I guess, $5.
Less than $5, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you can have it on the ceiling. It has a fisheye lens.
This
what
is
I can
only coffee, no Irish coffee.
Oh, sorry, Dad, I forgot to get the Irish.
see. Just get a bottle of whiskey and just shove it in there. Okay, so it has a magnetic mount. Yeah, it's magnetic.
Ooh.
Okay, it slides off. It's not really good magnetic, but it works. It has some kind of soft.
Let me see if I can show this to the people.
It has some kind of soft rubbery surface. Does this come off to show the magnet? Because it slides off.
Okay, so
Not
not for a dash cam.
no, and this is
This
double-sided
is
tape.
sticky. Yeah.
So that's. Oh, give me a sec. Could be that the magnet is buried too far back from the. Okay, so this is not meant to go off, but let's see if we can improve it already. Okay, so it has sticky tape, so this will help it adhere, but that's not the point. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, no, so the magnet will go out pretty much. It has to be glued on, I guess.
Yeah.
But let's see if it has better magnetic properties without it.
Probably has. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because the distance is lower. Yeah. Okay, so.
Yeah,
nice.
so, okay, so we fixed it. The magnet at least.
First fix. Yeah.
Now, let's look at this thing.
Yeah, you have a look. I tell Richard what Dutch is saying. For Richard, if I send him the equalizer, wonder how that display works. To ask, it has an analog use and digital level meters, and the equalizer bands displayed on the matrix display. But first, I need it repaired. Oh, okay.
Okay.
That sounds like a bigger project, and I know a guy who really loves this project. Yeah, for sure. Okay, let's get back to the camera.
Definitely does.
Okay, so weight-wise, doesn't weigh anything. It feels like an empty plastic lid. So if this works, I will be shocked. Pretty much. Do you have a normal USB power bank somewhere? Oh, there we go.
Yeah. If you wonder why we have this big power bank, this is normally for charging drone batteries.
Okay, so let's see if we fry this one immediately. I don't think so. I'm very statically charged today, so I can kill the PCB.
Yes, Mario.
Okay, so it is,
Richard,
it is drawing something.
Oh yes, there's something blinking.
Okay, so let's put on. Okay, so it's a red light and a blue light. Mode is blinking.
Okay.
So let's put on the off. Hold the button. Now it's off, the blinking light. Oh no, it's blinking now, so that means it's in pairing mode. I'm guessing here, by the way.
Can I show you your phone?
Yeah, I'm just sending a message. There we go. Lily lost a bottle in the flea market, and one of the sellers actually contacted me.
Oh.
And told me she had it. Okay, perfect. Let's see. What was I going to do? Oh yeah, pair.
Wi-Fi. Yeah.
No, not Wi-Fi, but Bluetooth.
Bluetooth, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe, yeah, it does have Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, I guess. Or that's the Bluetooth symbol, right?
No, it's Wi-Fi. It's
Yeah,
a blue
no,
Wi-Fi
Wi-Fi.
thing.
Oh, it's Wi-Fi.
Battery IP camera.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's Wi-Fi.
I'd guess Wi-Fi.
I don't think it's Bluetooth.
Q6 something.
No idea.
It doesn't have a name. I guess that.
Read the instructions. Shall I read the
Oh,
instructions?
you have to install.
Oh, put it in the old man's pocket.
Yeah, it should be something like that. Yeah. It has a QR code. Let's start with that.
Yeah, indeed. Let me get a bit more wide angle. This makes it easier.
Yeah. So let's scan the QR code first, so I get the software. It's one of the pages over there.
Okay.
Let me film this so if people are sitting at home and want to do the... no, let me get the QR code. This is way easier.
Oh yeah.
No, Richard won't show the code.
You have it. You have it. You want to have the QR code? Yeah, sorry. Yeah. Guys, Detlef and myself had a discussion this week about QR codes because I think it's a very strange thing. Because when I first saw QR codes, they just kind of like appeared on like buses and trucks and places, but I never saw any public announcement, any information to tell you what that damn thing was for.
So if you want to play along, you can simply scan the QR with your phone now from the screen.
Yeah, it sends you to iOS link or Android Play Store.
Okay, let me get over the phone.
I have an Android device.
And Carlos now has a malware on his phone.
Yeah, so I have a Chinese malware with Chinese description.
Yeah.
I don't mind, I can reinstall whatever, so it's fine. So let's see what we get. Add device. But shouldn't we pair this to the network first?
You probably pair it first to the Wi-Fi from this thing and then tell it where it needs to go for the Wi-Fi.
Okay, so let's first see what we have around here. Corona Guard, that's Richard.
Yeah, well, this is in the window on some of my videos.
We should get...
This is my limited company here.
Wait, let me do this the other way around.
Corona Guard Plus.
Yeah.
You do the thing over there so we don't show Wi-Fi networks. I should have thought of this.
It doesn't matter the name of the network.
Yeah.
You can come and walk outside here soon now.
If you want to hack it, you can hack it.
Exactly.
Pretty much. I'll even show you how. Advanced solutions? No. Nothing that has strong enough.
Do you have a free an open Wi-Fi?
No.
Well, my Wi-Fi is open. Well, it's not open, but I put the password in. But you know the password, don't you?
I don't know.
Ted knows the password. I know the password, and Carlos can have it.
You probably need to get this in pairing mode first.
Yeah.
We could read the documentation. Maybe it's a Chinese one.
Yeah.
Yeah. So while you're doing that, as I was mentioning about QR codes, so to me these are something that, like, just appeared out of the blue. There was no like announcement saying, "Hey, this is a QR code. You have to download an app to read them with." So how did people figure out what they were for? I mean, I asked a friend, I said, "What are the things for?" He says, "Oh, you point your phone at them and they take you to a website." So I was taking photos of them. Because but there's no instructions. So how did you guys ever figure out? Can you remember how did you figure out when QR codes first came out? Was there any information available to say this is what this is for?
I was lucky because I was making websites at the time for a company and then wanted QR codes, so I did some research.
So you did some research?
Yeah, Wikipedia.
Yeah, but what was it is, how can you have something that is like so ubiquitous that came out that nobody ever told anybody what you do with them?
Government. They should have put out something.
Yes, Dutch. Yeah, sure. The DJ mixer. I used to use a Behringer's DJ mixer back in the UK when I was DJing the last time.
It doesn't
up
have
till
any
2016.
instructions.
Definitely the same one as you have.
Oh, next something. Okay, so you held the power button.
Yeah, held the mode button.
Okay. Next.
Has no intertect, has some sort of options. We don't need this.
Ah, that's how you found out, Dutch. So they explained it. Yeah, I mean, a friend had to tell me what you do with them. I had no idea. And I don't think like I'm that stupid, but I had no idea. What are these things?
No,
they just appeared.
type in the name. Just horrible.
Yeah.
Okay, well these guys are still doing that.
Oh yeah, Richard's Corona.
What do you want to do? One moment, guys.
Oh, you want to send this to the Corona Guard?
What? That's the name of the router.
Yeah. They wanted the.
It didn't find up the
It doesn't look.
Let me put you the password in.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think I have the password somewhere.
QRs for login. Yep, this will work, Dutch. Yep. You can generate them, and you can They were invented to bridge the gap between the real world and the electronics world.
Yeah.
And
So that one.
I think in Asia they are everywhere.
Okay, button there.
This is
Next.
just the European thing. We were very slow with the take on QRs because nobody gave us a good idea what to do with them. And I remember 10 years ago, my phone needed an app to read a QR code. Now my camera app does this.
Yeah.
Back in the days, my phone was...
This one actually does not.
Okay, good. I'll look that up.
Yep.
It's configuring, so you just wait. So this thing is a little fiddly to set up, I guess. You connect. Okay, so explanation. You connect to the camera's Wi-Fi. It has its own AP. Then you go into the app and configure it from there to your real network. Pretty much. And then after it's configured to the real network, you can connect from the app to the camera directly via your normal Wi-Fi. Yeah.
This is Carlos.
Yeah.
The guy from the coffee just walked outside.
Yeah, I kind of guessed. Okay.
Carthothay. We have an app called Bank ID that uses QR codes on sites, and you can scan it to log in on some sites. Yeah.
Okay, so the device didn't show up. So
It didn't show.
no.
Of course it didn't.
Why should it?
That would be too easy.
Yeah. So let's turn this thing off. It's not blinking anymore.
Yeah, we do this all the time. You know, when I build devices that need Wi-Fi, I always put in Wi-Fi manager, and this is normally easy to do. So I don't get why the Chinese can't get this working. I can do this on a ESP8266 with some lines of code. And this is pretty easy to do.
Yeah, same, yeah.
So,
By the way, you guys. Ever needed to do that? Should we do a video about these, about Wi-Fi manager and stuff to...
Yeah, please.
What?
I had some problems with my ESP.
No! Oh yeah, I wanted to bring you one. No,
so you were connected to me.
Yeah, I'm connected to the Corona Guard. This should be connected to the Corona Guard.
So you can't.
It should find it.
Because doing Wi-Fi on an ESP8266 or 8232...
And it's
so easy. It's so easy.
It's not finding.
There's no
You
reason
go
not
back
to
to
do
that place
this.
where you
Yeah.
were.
Yeah.
There's
Wi-Fi
two
manager
Windows
is
got
cool.
that.
Yeah. Tapu.
That's my.
TZ something something. It's a very strange
Disappeared
name,
from
but
the list. So
it works like a
it
breeze.
took the configuration.
And it keeps you away from...
So
yeah.
basically,
I was talking to
Yeah.
Richard. Guys, I need
It's
you.
warm. It's warm.
I need your input again. We were talking about security on these chips. And all and all these little ESPs has a little flash ROM on there.
Mm-hmm.
And we thought, okay, what is about security? I know you can use ESP tool to read the content, but we were going for thinking about doing this the hard way, so reading the content of the PROM itself.
yeah. So what Dad was saying in layman's terms to
Sorry.
me is these little devices that attach to your router that have the Wi-Fi password in.
Like
Like one of these things. Could you take one of these things, read the ROM, because the processors have an external ROM, and in that ROM, will we see the password?
Yeah.
Will it be encrypted, or will it just be there in plain text? So can we hack people's Wi-Fi password by getting this device which is connected to it and read the password out
Well,
of it? What do you think?
I won't go for this device because this is an unknown device. And
Yeah, this is crap. It won't even connect.
yeah, this probably has the flash ROM on chip.
Yeah.
To hack these, I'd say this is more work, but connect Bluetooth. Okay.
Will be encrypted with a salt. Are you sure we're using something like a little ESP processor?
On the flash ROM, on the
ROM,
on the SPI ROM. No, this is. I'd guess. This is me guessing here.
Well,
I'd guess this is plain text.
Dutch Linux reckons it's encrypted,
You could do this in software, of course.
and there's only one
yeah.
way to find out.
I remember that I wrote a thing where I didn't use Wi-Fi manager, and I actually encrypted the Wi-Fi and password combinations with some XOR thing,
Right, okay.
so something easy. But of course, you have enough CPU power on there to do something with a SOL or even with an SSH 256. and this is probably the way to go. So I think we're doing a scientific episode there in the near future to find out if it's encrypted, if it's not, what we can do. This is probably my part then. What we can do to encrypt these.
Yeah. Okay.
And maybe we should talk to the guy from Wi-Fi Manager if he wants to encrypt his passwords.
True. So, Dutch, I've had a look at the Behringer VMX 1000 USB. I've not looked at one of these before, but I'm quite familiar with these mixers. So, sure, when you're done with it, I'll take a look at that.
Oh, it's one of those. The 19.
Carlos, can we connect this thing or not?
No, we give up.
We give up. Okay,
We give
so
up.
it's crap, guys. We can't even get the thing. I mean, we put the password in and the SID in.
We got far enough that it should connect.
Should connect, and not only that, this thing gets damn hot.
Yeah, and it has a battery inside because it's still blinking even
Oh,
if
this is a battery.
we removed the
I'm
power.
pretty sure this was $3 or something.
Do you want to look inside?
Yep, it has 2 screws.
It has 2 screws? Yeah, let's have a look. Will that fit them?
Yeah.
At what time? Oh, I'm going to off another beer. This requires another beer tonight.
Did I bring enough beer?
You did, however, I'm going to get one of the other beers, the Tenerife beers I had last time.
Okay.
It was a bit... Do you want to try one?
I don't want to have that way because I'm
No,
like
I'm
the
finished with my coffee now, and I think I have some tropical. Wait, this should say this only with tropical left.
Okay.
Cheers, guys.
Okay, so
Only with the fancy Halloween cups tonight.
I found the magnet.
Oh! Yes, but I see something more interesting. Wait.
Oh my god, no, we are not using this anymore. The battery is about to explode.
This is why it's so warm. Okay.
It's puffed up already.
This is probably why it was so cheap.
Let's turn it off.
Better that way, because this will be very smelly.
Yep, no, and you can't actually put these fires out, so...
No, you can't.
Yeah,
And Carlos will be really pissed if the other Carlos will be really pissed if we're running with a burning lipo cell around with the coffee.
Okay, so let's...
Yeah.
do this.
Can we disconnect this?
I am trying to.
Okay.
And it's really, really warm, the actual element. No, it's the battery that's warm.
You know what? This is really bad. Even if it's cheap, this shouldn't happen.
No.
This definitely shouldn't happen. Imagine you don't know anything about electronics, you put this somewhere in your child's bedroom, because you want to have a security camera there, don't ask.
People want to check what their children are doing. Yep, that one is not being used.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
So we'll find why it heats
Why
up.
it got so warm.
Why did it get so hot?
Gordon, I get back.
Oh my gosh, is that a rather swollen battery?
Yeah,
Gordon, I get
yeah.
back to you in a second. We have to...
Yeah.
Can we get that under the microscope?
Yes, we can.
There goes the microscope. And can
is
this
it-
one?
There's a big dent in that.
Yeah. So
This is probably in the factory. Can you show the back? Then
I am.
this has probably happened in the
They
factory
puncture it.
while they assembled it,
Yeah.
and this is why the whole battery went up in. Oh, there's a protection surface.
It's really hot.
yeah. I wouldn't hold it.
That's not a protection circuit. That's
No, this is just
Connection tabs.
yeah, this is just tap. Sorry. Yeah. Me was
The
Oh,
protection-
there's another nice dent in this
Yeah,
side of it.
Yeah, so they probably pinched it with something when they screwed it together,
Yeah.
and they made the layers touch.
That's
inside.
really warm.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
I would have it over here.
Have
just
we
in
something-
case.
Okay, well, you don't want that right in front of you.
We
Yeah,
have,
no.
we have this little.
I don't want a lithium crotch fire.
Okay, so let's
We
look
have
at
a ceramic containment disc here.
Oh.
Thank you.
There we go. Yeah, if it catches fire now,
if
it
it
just
just goes up in flame.
poisons us. Isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. We all Carlos another cup.
This is the actual.
Okay, so
Yeah,
it
sand
has.
bucket.
Why does it have a ribbon for that distance? Are they?
You're not in camera. No, yours.
Okay, so this is the.
Okay. So let's take off the lens first of all.
Okay. Well, let's move the microscope where it's a bit easier for you to work.
Yep. Maybe that's a good idea.
Gordon for while the guy's setting up stuff here again. Gordon for a BIOS programmer. You normally have the same chips. These are the same chips that are on the little 80 tiny ESP modules. Normally, and you can get really cheap.
So
programmers for this. These are based around the
Yeah.
CH341 something.
CH341A.
Yeah.
And they're about €2 or €3.
Yeah.
Check out Adamant IT's channel.
Yeah, he does that a lot.
Yeah, he does this a lot, and he knows way more about this than
And he actually modified one of them to work even better with 1.6 volts chips as well.
Can I just add that if you go onto my channel in the
right.
video description to the affiliate links, you'll see this CH341A with the 1.8 volt adapter for about €3 or €4, and I get like 3 or 4 cents.
If you want to, if you want a cheap camera module for your projects, here you go.
I'll get back to you. Wait.
It's
if you
all
want-
inclusive in the module.
Wait. OEC, UX, and TX. What's going on there?
Yeah, it has all the pinouts on the side.
Oh, this is for... No, this is used.
This is where the camera module came from.
Yeah, no, and the connections actually go to the connector. Look, TX, TDI, they go here.
Yeah.
They go all over to clock and all the way around. So everything goes here.
Can you turn the PCB around?
Yeah, sure.
And there's probably our mystery chip, yeah.
Yep. They ground off the markings. Let's see. Yeah, it's ground off.
This is really fascinating. Guys, imagine 10 years ago, this is all done in one chip. You have a whole video camera in one freaking chip.
Yeah.
But actually, you could actually drive this with, I think, an Arduino. So not an Arduino, but an ESP.
You probably can. But it's really hard to find out what's a pin out.
Data sheet.
The data sheet for this.
Yeah.
This would be the hardest part, to find out what the data sheet is.
But you could actually figure it out with. They did a good job with the silk screen and the connections.
Oh, you simply buy one of these cameras with a data sheet.
Yeah.
And an unpierced battery.
Yeah. No explosion risk. If you need parts, I guess.
Yeah.
It has a beeper.
Tony says, would it be dented if it wasn't swollen? No, it would be a flat surface.
Yeah.
You have a normal flat surface there.
Two flat surfaces, one on each side.
Yeah.
It looks like a mini sandwich.
What you saw there, the swollen part comes from the gassing in there. There's some gas going in there.
And
this is why it swells up. Lipose, so lithium, is a thermal runaway.
Yeah.
If you get above 150 degrees, it produces oxygen, so you can't put it out with water. You only can through sand on it, and even then it will keep burning.
Yeah.
So imagine something like that in your child's bedroom.
No, not a good idea.
Not a good idea.
No.
Yeah, you can't put it out. Even if you grab it and throw it somewhere outside, you can't get it to stop burning. Yeah, Dutch. See you later, mate. Looking forward for the video.
Almost.
Yeah.
You can read some of it. Okay, the chip is upside down. Let's see. You can.
Ed, I get to your ones first, but the guys are. This is more on Richard's turf. Ed says, "Hey guys, please advise how to repair a flat cable that has detached from a small black and white LCD display in a label printer.
Do you mean
flat flex?
Flat flex.
No connections, only a piece of black tape. Thanks. Maybe you have to go deeper here.
Is it a flat flex?
Is it
cable?
the flat flex cable, like the orangey brown coloured flexible cable?
Yeah, like the one on the.
Yeah. Is it like one of these? The flex.
Let's see. See, it's flexible and it has connections inside.
You want to repair one of these? That's what he's asking.
It is possible.
Yeah, it's possible.
It just takes time, and you normally need Canar wire to do it. Not Canar. What's it called? Magnet wire.
Oh yeah.
So you have very, very thin enamel wire. You scrape off the coating.
I actually did this on one video previously.
Yeah, I also fixed the flats. I don't think I did it on video. Unfortunately, it was for a DS.
Dutch says grab a Sharpie and use it on the chip.
Yeah.
Oh, good idea.
Sharpie.
Yeah, you're right.
I'm sounding so smart by reading all these comments.
Yeah.
Mike asked, "Can you power it from another battery to test it?" I think the battery isn't the thing here. We can power it from USB, but Carlos was trying around to get the app to talk to this thing, and
That doesn't connect.
they messed up. They messed up really bad.
The app is not intuitive at all. Okay, so I put some Sharpie on. Let's see.
It says no solid pins on the cable, so like the one we showed in
Yes,
the
a
video,
flex. Okay, if you look for this on YouTube, something like repair flex cable,
Yeah, you should find 100.
you
videos.
should find 100 videos. I'm sure I've done it myself. If you give me a shout after the weekend, I have looked for the
I
video.
think
for
you did.
I think
I
I did
saw
actually
you
do it
repair-
at one point.
This wasn't just a thing with a little drone that fell out of the sky.
No,
no,
that wasn't that one.
Yeah.
Only is the Sharpie.
It's
But-
not helping.
but that chip on flex repair isn't easy, but yes, you can do it.
Yeah, it is possible. I did it for a Nintendo DS. It also has a flex that goes into the, like the screen connectors on laptops, in between the hinges, and they pinch sometimes and they break. So you have to solder small wires.
Just to clarify, these guys think this is possible. I'm not.
Okay, it depends on skill level.
It is definitely possible.
Yeah, it is possible, but it's a skill thing. That's for sure.
Yeah.
It takes a very long time to do as well.
Yeah.
You need to practice. The best thing to practice on is old ink cartridges. Take the flex off and break and see if you can solve
Why
it.
should they do that?
Because you need to practice on something that's junk.
Yeah.
I think 4 or 2 resistors shouldn't be soldered by humans.
I got
Whoa,
something.
whoa!
I got something.
You had something.
Yeah. Okay. So with alcohol, we can see it. Can you give
Of course,
it a
cheers.
little
A
more?
little bit more alcohol.
I need more.
You need more alcohol.
Beer goggles.
No girly drinks tonight. Damn it.
No.
He's on the hard stuff now. Isoprene, pal.
Yeah.
Oh, we have something. Look at that.
8K 7252.
Is that BK?
BE.
BK, yeah.
BK.
Yeah.
7252.
You need to do this. On this
Okay,
machine.
let's go. for it.
That was a really good idea with the Sharpie and then
it's
cleaning it off.
Beacon is the manufacturer.
Beacon.
BEKEN.
Hey, now you can see it completely. It's seeped into the ground parts.
Dutch, I salute you, mate.
Are you okay if we put that on one of my videos, Dutch?
Oh, Cartha made us written down. These guys are amazing.
Oh, okay.
These guys are amazing.
So let's see if we
Thanks, Cartha.
So, what do we have? Is it BK?
Richard asked if it's okay if he demonstrates it on one of his videos.
BK. But I will credit you though, Dutch. I will say it was you who did it.
Yeah.
BK721. BK7252.
52 UQN68. QN68 feels like
UQ. Oh, that one.
it feels like the package.
It's come up already. Somebody searched this before, not us, but Beacon Corporation.
Ah, crap.
Yeah.
No, I can't.
Cut a
Get
sheet.
back to the other. You see,
on there.
let me do this on the handheld.
There's
so
a
you guys can
2.4
follow.
gigahertz, 4.2 comb chip.
So
Oh,
that's
it's
the
a
Wi-Fi.
comb filter. It's a comb filter.
That's the Wi-Fi chip, I'm guessing, because the antenna is right next to it.
I think this does
No,
this all.
no. It's a Wi-Fi,
This does
audio,
every-
video. It's
System on a
that.
chip. This does
SoC.
everything.
System on a chip.
Okay, so it's CPU, GPU, no CPU.
This does everything.
Video.
This is everything in one chip. Yeah.
So at least we have the data sheet,
So
so we can actually.
we have a huge amount of data. Does it tell us anything interesting?
Yeah, and it's in
And it's English.
English. Yeah, I was Chinglish.
Block diagram.
Wow. Okay.
Okay. It's advanced. For the $2 or $3 this thing costs. The chip probably costs more.
Yeah, I'd say so.
There's your pinout.
There's the pinout. Yeah. So if you actually trace the connector to the pinout, you should be able to reverse engineer what drives the camera.
Pin description.
You can read it. You can read it over here. You have a pin
Yeah.
description.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But I don't know what's on the ribbon.
Sorry for the shaky cam, guys.
Not bad. It has a lot of functions.
Audio output. Common mode output. Audio, microphone input.
So you can actually send audio over Wi-Fi as well.
Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. It says.
Yeah, and Bluetooth. Yeah, because It actually said something about Bluetooth in
Alright. Yeah. And,
in the menus.
Yeah.
Runs at 26 megahertz typically.
Just 26. Nice.
Yeah, so it pulls a little less power. Okay, I'm guessing with that broken battery, it's still.
Well, I think the battery doesn't matter because we could power that up from USB.
Mm-hmm. Yep. I
So
agree.
we have a huge amount of information.
So we found the chip. This should work then because SoC should be enough to drive this. Now depends on how they implemented the software. I'm guessing they didn't do it that well.
No.
So
Alright, guys, 15 minutes warning.
okay. So any questions?
Any questions? Hit us with anything.
What happened to the idea of reverse engineering the Halloween
Okay,
candle?
okay. I'm on it.
Because we did promise to do this.
Yeah, we can do this, of course, yeah.
We promised we
But
would do
still,
this.
hit us with anything.
Yeah,
15
hit us with
minutes to
anything,
go.
questions.
Yeah.
Okay.
We do some entertainment here with Carlos at the.
Oh,
What do you guys do Halloween? Because we are going out for Halloween. This is going to be a really big party here.
we're filming Halloween on the Gran Canaria Uncovered channel. So we're going to hopefully make some great videos, so please watch that one if you want. Oh, I don't know if Dutch Linux. I know Dutch the Offstairs, that one.
Yeah, the other Dutch.
The other Dutch on the video we published this week, we actually filmed at what is called the Dutch Centre around here, where all the Dutch bars are.
Oh yeah.
If you're watching this, go and have a look and see what you think.
The Dutch Center.
We went to the Dutch Centre and we filmed.
Heineken everywhere.
Heineken was absolutely everywhere.
No, I broke it.
Well, of course he did.
You broke the candle.
Yeah, it's glued in the bottom part.
Rich, you got mail. I did send you the manual for the
It has to
L-board
opt out.
remote
You see
with
these
the
tabs?
follow-up.
It's glued in around.
Yes, I did. Yes, thank you. I did get that.
Glue, the
Oh.
pain of my existence.
Do you have one more of these little paper cups there, Dad?
Oh yeah, sure.
Because I've
I gave them to Lily. You have
Yeah,
to
they're
to
over
bother
there.
with her.
They're over here.
Yeah, they should be there somewhere. Lily,
see.
where are the cups? Oh, there.
Lily's here. Carlos' daughter.
Yeah, she's.
This is for Det to make a comparison. This is the
The other beer.
this is the other beer. So this one is actually from Tenerife.
Oh, I drank this Friday evening. Yeah.
Oh, so you've already tried it? How do you think?
This has way more
Alcohol?
alcohol than the Tropical.
Yeah. I don't know if it does actually.
Yeah, this is 4.9 or something. This is nuts.
This one doesn't say. Oh, it does say somewhere.
It should. It's not legal to sell alcohol.
This is
without
this one says 5.7%.
Yeah, pretty
And
much.
this is 4.7.
Oh, so this,
yeah.
oh, it's 20% more.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Get pissed.
Get pissed. that's finished, by the way.
yeah, we're finished now. I'm guessing. Yeah.
We haven't. No, we finish in about 10 minutes. That's a good one, if you're at a restaurant or somewhere abroad, and the waiter says, "Oh, you finished?" You say, "No, we're English, or wherever you're from." Then when he comes quick to see if you had all your food, "Oh, you finished?" No, we don't. Sure.
Okay.
Okay, this was a bad idea, I think.
Oh,
I'm almost through the
Yeah,
freaking glue.
Mario can't break it.
If I sit on it, maybe. Okay, so let's see. I've gotten through the glue on one side.
Oh yeah, got this on camera.
Yeah.
right. So
All
what
right.
do we have?
So
Can you
we
power it up in
have.
the state?
Microscope.
Yeah, of course.
Oh yeah, the microscope. It would
Microscope.
Be a way better idea.
Yeah. Okay, so it's exactly what I said it was. Batteries
Yeah.
to a switch.
This is brutal. This is simply brutal.
How does the switch work? So how does the LED flash or do whatever?
Different colors.
Get into the LEDs. Get
They
into
put the
the
batteries in there.
Yeah, I was going to. Let's see. Negative.
So is this a
bottom.
special LED with a built-in controller? Or
Yeah, it does everything.
Yeah. You are completely right.
why don't we need a series resistor to limit the current?
Because it costs money.
Yeah, I know, but
You should have it.
but
Yeah.
And you got it.
Do I have it upside down?
Probably the wrong way around.
yeah. So surely the LED needs a series resistor
Oh, yeah.
to limit the current.
It normally should. It depends on the internal resistance of the cells.
Oh yes, of course, because the cells will have internal resistance.
Yeah.
That's a,
So it's working. So
Let's go back to the thing.
let's see if we can find a chip inside here.
Oh yeah, there's a chip.
where?
Right where the light's coming from.
Yeah, exactly to the left of it. See?
Yeah.
There's a 3-pin
Can you switch it off? I think this is more visible.
Yeah.
Let me switch it off.
I'm trying to. There we go. So see the black thing there?
Yeah.
Oh.
The little black bar.
Well, let's
Oh,
get
you can see the bond wires.
let's do this. We need to balance this on something. We can't. Yeah.
No, not by hand. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so let's see if I can angle
And
Sorry
that's
for
the
the.
and put the lights.
And I get the focus. Okay, we have the focus on it.
Okay, so you see the bond wires go to
That's focused, yeah.
a small chip.
Madness.
So what you're saying is that in that LED, there,
That black part.
that black part, yeah,
It's
that on that little board there, that little black thing inside it.
It's a multi-vibrator or a microcontroller, and I'm not guessing on a microcontroller this
No, this is a micro.
time.
I think
For
so,
sure, yeah. Chris, no, this is the PVM is the fading of the lights. Yeah, this is done by
and
PVM.
you see the lights come from
And
the side.
this is the little microcontroller
pulse
doing the
modulator.
PVM. Yeah,
Yeah,
there's everything in there. The resistors in there.
inside the LED.
Oh, I can see it now.
Yeah, that black little thing.
That little black little thing. Wow.
You can see the lights on the side light up, not on the actual black thing.
Yeah,
That's insane.
that's
madness.
insane. Yeah.
Focus. Got it.
And guessing these LEDs cost is probably 1 cent each.
Yeah.
I think we can
I think
focus.
this was expensive. Guess if we buy them in 10,000s, it's probably 1 cent, and you probably can get them cheaper.
So can we get a focus up here or not?
Yeah, I hope. Oh. Okay, so I'm really close to the camera. Oh yeah, we're going to get there.
You
maybe?
sure?
No, we can't.
No, that's too close.
That's too close.
Let's go.
Halfway.
I used this before, but I focused on this.
Oh yeah, that worked.
So if you can rest it on there,
Oh yeah, these are the batteries. Here you get focused.
Yeah, where am I?
stay balanced on there.
Yeah.
How
Mike,
does-
I'm not
Out
sure.
a bit.
I'm not sure if the resistor isn't required.
There, that's the LED.
No, the resistor is required.
Yeah,
It's
I-
just I
I-
skipped it.
I guess it's cheaper to do this without a resistor, and these things
Yeah.
aren't made to last. You simply burn through the LED, and if it's broken, well, it's broken.
Right. Can we get onto it?
Yeah,
It
well,
feels more like the Chinese way. This is from level 42, the Chinese way.
there we go.
Remember level 42?
I remember that song.
Okay, so let's see if I can get this in frame.
Ah, look at that.
Wow.
There we
think
go.
I think I never saw this before.
Stop vibrating
Yeah,
it.
don't touch the table.
I'm not actually in the table.
This is like a seance now. Don't touch the table.
Can we get the focus anymore?
No, the focus is quite good actually.
So that is the chip.
That drives it. So the LEDs are behind the 4 wires. So let me see if I can angle this, so we
Wow.
can see the LEDs.
Yeah, you can see the LEDs there. Look.
And different colors are in different heights. Yeah,
Yeah.
3 different LEDs, 3 different colors. Where's the 4th leg go?
There's only 3.
Dutch,
RGB if you want.
you got this right, mate. You can say this again.
What would the Dutch say?
Amazing how small these chips are getting.
Yeah, it's inside the LED light.
It's inside a freaking LED.
Okay, and it actually has.
This is a microcontroller. There must be an oscillator on this to do the timing, to do the PVM. And
uh,
there must be a CPU on this that does all the calculations. So somebody who wrote a code for that, maybe
So-
on a breadboard.
Yeah.
This is impressive.
pre-programmed and put in.
Yeah,
Probably because it only has 2 pins out.
yeah. Mike says I have some color changing LEDs designed for 5 volt. Then it would fit because there are 3
Got it.
coin cells in there. That would fit. Yeah.
Still, this is machine soldered, obviously.
No, Richard can use this by hand.
I'll have a go.
Yeah, no, I would have to keep my glasses on for this one. That's
That's amazing.
That's
explaining
amazing.
how tiny this thing is.
Wait.
Yeah,
Now
let's
it's-
switch to another camera.
It's a 5mm LED. It's a 5mm.
So it's inside the LED, and you can't actually see it with a naked eye.
It's a 5mm LED. That's it. Oops.
And these things are made to throw away because you only use them until the batteries run flat, and after that you simply get another one.
Because the batteries cost you
This is
more.
madness.
Crazy.
This is
It's
really.
insane.
This is where we are going with this society.
And this is actually low tech, by the
Yeah.
way.
Yeah.
There are a lot more advanced stuff. And
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
impressive.
Wow! I didn't expect this at the last.
I was expecting an external
Yeah,
microcontroller,
same.
a 3-pin something Chinese, one set controller.
one paddock something in there.
Yeah.
But you don't need a paddock. This is probably a paddock without the.
Cheers, Mike.
Yeah, without the thing. Yeah, the macro shots were. This is the little Andon oscilloscope. Is this
Yeah,
Andon?
it's the Andon Star 407.
Yeah, wait. I show the people what we're using there.
This is the Andon Star 407. I reviewed this.
Oh, yeah.
Actually.
Let's.
Yeah, better, way better. Yeah.
Yeah.
So-
But we are a throwaway
this-
society. Yeah.
Yeah. So that's the microscope focusing ring. It's really decent.
Yeah.
You
Well,
can
we
get-
focused.
Of course, on the Richard's bench microscope, you get better.
The optical microscope.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. After I tried this, I would never go back to these.
Yeah, my electronic one even does better than this, but I can move the head closer. That's why it's better. But this works really well for hobbyists, and it's not that expensive. What, 100 something?
100 and something. Yeah. Yeah.
And it's 720p, and it has a HDMI output. That's what you're watching on
Yeah,
the screen.
this is- we
HDMI,
can't-
so there's no lag.
Yeah, we're capturing this from HDMI to USB converter, and then simply.
That's
throw it
why it's so
into
clear
USB.
and crisp.
Yeah, it is impressive. Very impressive. You can also actually just.
Andon Star, if you want to send over some new.
What I should have tried before was that.
Yeah, oh, I didn't know it could do that.
If Jet gets it back on. So what I should have done was just actually done that with it.
Yeah, just
Literally just like.
Oh yeah, and you can slide them down. This is a feature we.
yeah. We put a beer bottle
We put a beer can into it.
underneath.
Can we get the macro shot from that now, Dad?
Oh, we can.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a lot flatter.
Dutch saying we're killing our planet and are fully supplied right to repair. Yeah, right to repair is a must.
Yeah.
It's a must as a society. This is something
Yeah.
we owe to our children.
Did you hear about the news about the couple that drove their Tesla in the rain and they have to replace the battery themselves because it's not covered in
It's
the
not waterproof.
it's not covered in the warranty for rain damage.
Yeah.
What?
On a
Or a
brand
Tesla.
new
What?
$30,000 car.
Well, nobody can expect it. It rains in California.
No, it wasn't California. It was Ireland.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
It never rains in Ireland. No.
Yeah. Carl saw, yes, put it on a microphone boom stand. It works great. But Carl just mentioned on the microscope thing. These things are absolutely fantastic for inspection work, but I can't solder under one of these.
I can.
Yeah.
Carlos can, but I've also had Carlos and Detlef both use my binocular stereo microscope.
It's a lot easier.
Oh yeah.
It's a lot easier. It's a lot easier, isn't it, guys? You understand why I use that?
Yeah. No. You are about 100% right there.
Yeah.
It's a lot easier.
The stereo vision with the optical microscope just makes all the difference.
Okay, so this is the closest you can get.
Mike's saying it would be great if you do the behind the scene video, show us
Okay, it's
something
fine.
sometime, showing how the camera set and how is the picture in picture. Man, this is really easy. We have wait,
Oh, yes.
I point to them. This one over there is the Logitech Brio.
Can you see it on the screen?
Wait, I do this in 5 minutes. On a little arm over there, you see this on a little arm over there.
This thing.
This is filming the three of us.
So Logitech Brio.
Yeah. Then we have a overhead camera that we really rarely use. Wait, I point to this and I'll show you where it's going. There's a second overhead Brio.
There's another, Logitech Brio again.
Yeah. Carlos did this marvelous construction over here. So
the metal work I did.
All the metal work in it. So you see our studio lights mounted onto the metal frame?
And the ones we forget to turn on.
Not tonight.
No.
Yeah. These are the cheap studio lights, and the overheads are flickering a bit. And then we have this handheld
Hey,
camera.
you can see that, can't you?
I can show you this on this camera. This is the handheld camera.
So this is a 6 to 60mm manual zoom, manual aperture.
This is why you see me fiddling around with this all.
This is what I use on top of my setup as well to film the work area.
Yeah. I like this one, but I think the Logitech like this has a nicer picture for people.
Yeah.
So this is what I'm always fiddling around with. And the second PC is just connected via an HDMI and currently is connected to the little Anon Star.
Yeah.
Yeah. And that's
And it has a
And that's it. And wait, I can show you.
good enough picture for.
Can I show the? Yeah, of course I can show you OBS over here. This is what we're looking at. So we have some scenes over here where we have all the cameras set up. We only go for cameras, and we have all the 3 talking heads of us.
yeah. If you change the scenes, then you'll see different.
I can't change them now.
No, because otherwise you'll lose that image.
Yeah, exactly.
So the scenes are basically set to have us inset in the corner or not with various different backgrounds.
Yeah, indeed. Yeah, this is.
Yeah, Carter, I agree. If you learned on one monocular, not binocular, it's fine. But if you go from a binocular to a monocular, you used to be able to see the depth. I go through field.
1 minute, by the way.
Yeah.
Oh,
So-
when we're wanting a crab.
Okay, so
Right to repair.
Yeah.
Gordon, right to repair.
And,
mate.
and I'll just add on to that. So I originally had the Andon Star 2.0 something or other. My first microscope, couldn't live with it. Then I bought the optical one, used the optical one, and now I can say that makes all the difference.
yeah.
I think you found once you use the optical one, it's difficult to go back.
No,
okay.
I still like my 24-inch screen view in front of me. It's this big.
They both have the uses.
Oh, of course. If you have the money, go for a binocular or trinocular. If you
Yeah,
want
which
to
is what I
record.
use.
Oh, that's the thing.
That's
Dutchers can't see in depth, blind in the left eye.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So
then
you
that's
can't
In that
be
case,
on
then-
Dutch's problem.
Exactly. Yeah.
You very good with one of the Unknown Star
Of course.
things. Yeah, and use a big monitor to put out.
Exactly.
yeah, a 24-inch.
Okay, guys, that's it. We're actually on time this week.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are. Yeah.
So,
Well, we
Thank you, Pink Crisp.
yeah, and thank you for enjoying that from the dark web.
Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you very much. I hope you're having a wonderful Halloween. Oh, this is horrible. This gets stuck everywhere.
Yeah,
I tried to wrap this around here, but it gets stuck into my beard and I was panicking there.
Look,
Tres amigos. Now we have this name.
actually, that was one of the pitches for the name of the channel. It was actually.
Yeah,
guys.
thanks for watching, guys. Every time's different.
Yeah.
That was great again.
Yeah, that was great.
It was fun.
Yeah.
Some good fun.
These 2 hours run by like
Yeah.
Yeah.
crazy.
Okay.
Thank
So,
you guys.
Ciao for now.
See you again.
Good night and